Hey guys, John here, Vapor Owning Technologies. This is the most fantastic offer I have available for you today, and that is a fantastic, excellent, awesome, fast, quick lead time on our products. We have worked a very long time to make this happen, and we have made a few customers upset and unhappy in the past because we didn't deliver fast enough. Let's face it, we live in an Amazon world today. Although Amazon no longer ships you a package in 2 days, people still expect that level of service. And we get it. You have work to do, you have money to make. That's why we're here. We are shipping our products faster than anybody else in the industry, hands down. Today, we have these things in stock. Most cabinets are in stock, depending on the production cycles and the sales cycles that happen. We have product here at any given time. So call or email the sales team and see what we have available and what we can quick ship to you. One of the biggest pain points in the industry is the fact that a lot of companies can't ship products faster than 16, 18, 20, 30 weeks. And that is just an industry-wide problem. Now, let's face it, on some of our custom products, yes, we go that long or longer if it's a custom-made machine. But if it's a standard product off the shelf that we build and sell, we're gonna get that thing to you very, very quickly because our lead times now are lower than ever in the history of this company. And we are happy to offer that to you as the potential customer because we know you need it now and you need it fast and you're ready to do a deal, but you just need something today. So give us a call, give the sales team a call, shoot them an email, see what we have available, see what we can do for you. And we will always do our best to get that job done as quickly and as best as possible. As always, thanks for watching.